Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVS Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are here to discuss a practical session, that is determination of glycogen in liver. And this is related with the subject metabolism and bioenergetics labs. So let's start. So the aim of the practical is determination of glycogen in liver. So the principle is, so glycogen is released from the tissue by heating with strong alkali and precipitated to on the addition of ethanol. So sodium sulfate is added as a co-precipitant to give a quantitative yield of the glycogen. Then polysaccharide is then hydrolyzed in acid, and the glucose release is estimated, which is related with the amount of the glycogen in the tissue. So the materials required is the liver, potassium hydroxide, centrifuge tubes, boiling water bath, saturated sodium sulfate, then ethanol, volumetric flask, test tubes, HCl, marbles, phenol red indicator, NaOH, and reagents for estimation of glucose. So procedure, it is followed by two steps. One is the isolation of glycogen, and second is the determination or estimation. So in the isolation, accurately weigh the complete tissue of the liver of 1.5 gram and place the tissue into a calibrated centrifuge tubes containing 2 ml of the KOH, and heat in a boiling water bath for 20 minutes with occasional shaking. Cool the tubes in ice and add 0.2 ml of saturated N2SO4 and mix thoroughly. Precipitate the glycogen by adding 5 ml of ethanol and stand on ice for 5 minutes and remove the precipitate by centrifugation. And then discard the supernatant and dissolve the precipitated glycogen in about 5 ml of water with gentle warming. Then dilute with distilled water to the 10 ml calibrated mark and mix thoroughly. In the case of the fed animals, the transfer of liver samples quantitatively to a 100 ml volumetric flask and make up to the mark with water. So the second step is the hydrolysis and estimation of glycogen. So pipette duplicate 1 ml sample of the glycogen solutions into test tubes and calibrate at 10 ml. Add 1 ml of HCl, place a marble on top of each tube and heat in a boiling water bath for 2 hours. At the end of this period, add 1 drop of phenol red indicator and neutralize carefully with NaOH until the indicator changes from yellow to orange to a pink color. So dilute 5 ml of distilled water and determine the glucose content by the 3.5 ml dinitrosalicylic acid method. So then use the standard curve to obtain estimate of the concentration of the glucose per 100 gram of sample. So result, after the calibration or calculation, you will put the result that what amount of glucose or glycogen is present in 100 gram of liver sample. Thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this detailed session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.